Greetings from Great Use Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Equinox. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. It's got about 28,000 miles in it, really in beautiful shape. Silver color with black interior, really outstanding condition. Let's take a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front bumper cover in beautiful shape. You can see there, outstanding condition. Really beautiful shape. Take a close up on these lights. Lights look amazing. Very nice. Grill's in beautiful shape. Super clean. Take a look at the other light, also in beautiful condition. Up above here, we're taking a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, outstanding condition. Very nice. Taking a look at the front fender. Front fender's in beautiful condition, very nice. Door on the driver's side front, beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. Quarter panel, driver's side rear, beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape, super clean throughout. Does have a little scuff right here. Besides that, looks perfect. Take a look at the hatch. Hatch looks good. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Rear glass looks good. Lights are in beautiful shape. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. It's got a little scuff here on this bumper there. Besides that, looks perfect. And another little mark here. That might just come out. It's got a little scratch right there. Nothing major. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, looks good. Very nice condition. Looks like it has a little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Rear door on the passenger side, rear looks good. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Quick look at the roof. Roof looks good. Very nice condition. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Very clean. Really outstanding shape. Okay, that concludes our walk around on the exterior. Gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. Stay tuned. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Look at that. Look at all the controls, very nice shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Looks beautiful. Let's take a look at the driver's seat, also in beautiful condition. It's got power, look at that. Nice feature there. Seat's in beautiful shape, super clean. Take a look at the dashboard, also in beautiful condition. Really great shape. Rugs are clean, does have a full set of floor mats. Really in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side. Front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, very nice. Look at the armrest there, beautiful shape. Super clean throughout, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger seat in the front, beautiful condition throughout. Really in great shape, look at that. Outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Take a look at there. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Really outstanding condition. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Super clean throughout. Rugs are in beautiful shape. Very nice. Look at this little feature here. It's got a couple USBs to plug in there. Really nice. It's got a couple air vents there too. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Really in outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Really in outstanding condition. Taking a look at the rear seat. on the passenger side, also in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout, very nice shape all the way through. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2021 Equinox. There's the key fob for it. It's got lock, unlock, and panic. Really nice, look at that. Beautiful condition. Now this vehicle does have a push button start. So all you gotta do is have that key fob with you in your pocket, inside the car somewhere. And all you gotta do is press this button as you press the brake. So we'll go ahead and take a look from back here. I'm gonna go ahead and press the brake. Press the button. Starts up perfect. You can see all the gauges fully functioning. Really nice. Really in beautiful condition. You can see there on the GM, all the gauges go all the way up and back down. That shows you the gauges are fully functional. Doesn't have any check engine lights, no issues at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. But let's see the mileage. Mileage is 28,840. Really nice, look at that. Outstanding condition there. Let's take a look at the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. There's the power locks. Automatic lights here. This is for the cruise control. It's got the distance thing here, so it brakes for you automatically. So you can actually turn it on here. It's on right there. It's a really nice feature. It's a safety feature there. And this is for the information center up there. So you can scan through this here. So it's your miles to empty, average speed, a timer. Really cool. There you go. Average miles per gallon, 24.8 miles per gallon. That's amazing. Vehicle. It's got a warning speed there. You can set it up if you have a teenager drives a car or whatever. You can set that. You can set a speed limit on it, which is pretty cool. Tire pressure sensors, all that good stuff. The distance following there, that's cool. It brakes on its own if you get too close. Battery level, coolant, temperature, traction control. Really nice. Over here on the side here, you have the Econo here. Super nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it here. Let's take a look at some of the other features on it. So it has this information center right there. That's where you control it from. Taking a look at the radio. Radio's in beautiful condition. It's a touch screen, really nice. Put it back on home. So this has audio, phone, which is Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You got settings there. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. Really nice. Inside settings. Let's go to settings real quick. You can set the language and stuff like that, which is really cool. Hotspot, the phones, really nice. Apps, Android Auto, and you can put the Apple CarPlay on it too. Vehicle, shows you the lighting, the comfort, all that stuff. Team driver, valet mode, all those settings there. Pretty cool. Okay, this is the controls for the AC, for the defrost, the front and rear. Down here we have the USB plug. You can plug in your phone there, and then you have the Apple CarPlay work or the Android Auto. It's got a auxiliary here, then it's got a small plug here. I think that's for a different type of wire. 12-volt charger there, look at that. Automatic transmission. Electric parking brake. It's got good storage in here. It's got a little light down there. Very nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Super, super clean. Very nice. Look above here. This has got the second airbag. The passenger airbag right now is off. OnStar controllers. It's got these courtesy lights with our LEDs. That's very nice. Looking at the visors. Visors are in beautiful shape. We got lights on them and also. Take a look here. Liner looks brand new. Really outstanding condition. Can't get any cleaner than that. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Super, super nice. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel is also in beautiful shape. Really nice. 28,000 miles on a 2021, but it's in beautiful condition. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go ahead and Take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, we're all set to take it for a little test drive. We already have it in gear here. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin. Feels nice and smooth. Let's check the brakes real quick. Get into a stop sign here. Oh, stop's perfect. Feels good. Nice takeoff, shifts perfect, feels really good. Super smooth, nice drive. Very good. I'm gonna go ahead and brake. Braking feels good. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. Really great drive. Another great feature this vehicle has, it has backup camera. I'm going to show you how that works here now. As soon as you put it in reverse, backup camera comes up, and then it has this little yellow lines to turn as you steer it. It shows you which way it's going to angle. It's very good. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Just aim for the parking lot spot, goes right in. Very nice. Well, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at those tires. All right, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Let's check a look down here. Little space here also. Beneath that, that's where the spare tire and the jack is. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this 2021 Equinox. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at this. Looks brand new. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Super, super clean. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, really great shape, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're looking at the rear tire. On the driver's side, really in outstanding shape. Look at that, very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire's in beautiful condition, good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Does have a couple little scratches here and here, but besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Front tire on the passenger side in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Chevy Equinox. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in outstanding shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.